No thanks. No thanks. My health. 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 Oh, I have full health again. I have one. By the way, I have one jumbo health potion left. Call me what you wanna.
Actually, come to think of it, I wonder.
If you found it for another, I'll be thinking for it. I was there it all my life.
Boom field.
So tell me if you wanna, cause I got me in it. I wanna hear you say it, cause I can't. Is that a blue kyber crystal? No, I'm kidding. It's a rough sapphire.
Is it a red
that far away?
Admittedly, in the actual world, is it okay if I live in, like, get
What?
stuff from the Ninjago area, but live in the Star Wars area?
Yeah, I realize stuff stuff that's supposed to only live in the Star Wars area lives in every area for some reason.
I don't even.
Zero, I don't know if you've noticed, but stuff that's supposed to live in the Star Wars area only is living in the main area no matter what. And
no, there's a lot of stuff in the Star Wars area that means building stuff in it.
Why did you have to become Stormwild? I'd rather you not call for backup, thank you very much.